Our purpose as readers today. I can use patterns I know to read and spell words. Let's review what we already know. We know our vowels. A, E, I, O, U. And we know that when certain vowels are together in words, it makes a certain sound. So for example, if we look at our first column over here, I see E, E. So we have two E's together. So that is a pattern that we will find in words. And the sound those two E's will make when they are together is E. The vowel will say its name because of that pattern. So let's look at our words of this week. Now to read this word, I'm going to use what I know to read the words. I see E, E together, so that pattern is going to make a sound E. Gr, E, N, green. We golfed on the green. Here's our next word. First, I'm going to use what I know, and I'm going to look for the pattern. I see two E's together in the word, and I know that when two E's are together, it makes the E sound. Now I'm going to add the beginning sound, T, and I'm going to read the end word part, T, E. Now I'm going to blend those word parts. T. We use a golf tee to drive our ball down the fairway. T. Okay, third graders, what do we do first as readers? You got it. We ask ourselves, what do we already know about this word? And we see a pattern. What pattern do you see? I see that pattern too. E, E. Two E's together make a long E sound. E. B, E, B. Here's our last word in this column. And we have to ask ourselves, what pattern do we notice? Two E's make the long E sound. So the E is going to say its name. E. N, E, D. Need. I need a pencil to write. Need. Now we're going to use our pattern to spell words. That connects us right to our I can statement. I can use patterns I know to read and spell words. So now that I know that EE in some words can make a long E sound, I'm going to use that pattern to help me spell words. So here's a word with the beginning consonant cluster, TR, tur. Here is another consonant cluster, and usually when the K is in front of the N at the beginning of the word, it's silent. N. And here is another consonant cluster, FR, fur. Here is our last consonant cluster, FL, fool. I'm now going to add the pattern EE to each consonant cluster to spell new words. Chur, E spells tree. N, E spells knee. Fur, E spells free. And full, E spells flee. All right, third graders, remember that you can use patterns you know to read and spell words. So our pattern that we are going to be working with this week is the long E, and two E's combined make that E sound. So use that pattern when you're spelling your new words today, this week. Bye, third grade.